Hello, my dear students. This is Teacher Anne. Today, our lesson is about measuring weights with standard units. But before we proceed to our discussion, let us have a short review regarding our previous lesson. So last time, we talked about standard units, measuring tools for weight. Am I right? Okay. Now I will show you pictures and tell me its name. What is this? Okay, this is a dial spring scale. Very good. This is used to measure the weight of food items like fruits, vegetables, and meat. Next, what is this? All right, this is a balance scale. This is used to measure the weight of small food items like medicine and chemicals. Very good. What about this one? All right, this is a body balance scale. This is used to measure our body weights. The next one, what is this? This is a mechanical scale. Very good. So this is used to measure the weight of large food items like sacks of rice, sacks of coconut or flour, and etc. All right. Now let us start our new lesson with the following vocabulary words. So let us read all together. Dial spring scale. One more time. Needle. Again, please. Kilograms. One more time. And the last one, kid. Again. All right, so these are the important terms that we should understand in this lesson. Now let us discuss the parts of the dial spring scale. So this is called a metal plate. It is where you put the object you are going to measure. This one, the red one, is called arrow or needle. It shows or points out the weight of the object on the scale. Then the dial scale. So the dial scale is the face of the dial spring scale. Then we have markings in kilograms. So these are represented by the red lines, as you can see here. So numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the markings in kilograms. Then we also have markings in kid. So the markings in kid are represented by the black lines. So these small black lines represents the kid. So as you can see, the markings are equally spaced. Okay, let us repeat the parts of the dial spring scale. We have metal plate, markings in kilograms, markings in kid, arrow or needle, dial scale. So how do we use a dial spring scale? Step 1. Make sure that the needle points to the 0 mark. So as you can see, the needle starts in 0 mark, or it points out the 0 mark. Step 2. Place the object on the weighing plate or the metal plate. So you're gonna put the object you're about to measure on the metal plate. Step 3. Read the measurement shown on the scale by the needle. So in this example, we can see that the dial's needle points to 2 kilograms. So it means the chicken weighs 2 kilograms. Okay. Now let us measure weights in kilograms. The kilogram is a common unit of weight. We write kg for kilograms. We read 1 kg as 1 kilogram. So here, a 1 kilogram weight is placed on a metal plate. And the needle shows that it weighs 1 kilogram. Now let us have more examples. Let us find the weight of these objects. So here we have salt, papaya, and potatoes. Let's measure the weight of the salt. As you can see, the needle is pointing at 1 kilogram. So, the weight of the salt is 1 kilogram. Next, let us measure the weight of the papaya. So as you can see, the needle is pointing at 2 kilograms. So, the weight of the papaya is 2 kilograms. Next, let us measure the weight of the potatoes. So as you can see, the needle is pointing at 3 kilograms. So therefore, the weight of the potatoes is 3 kilograms. Is it understood? All right. Now let's proceed with measuring weight in kid. A dial spring scale measures weights in kilograms and kid. 1 kilogram has 10 small lines. So look at the dial spring scale. So as you can see, we have 10 small lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So one small line is equal to 1 kid. So this 10 small lines is equal to 10 kid. And 1 kilogram is equal to 10 kid. Am I understood? Okay. Now let's find the weight of these objects. So here we have mango and watermelon. So let us measure the weight of the mango. So as you can see, the needle is pointing at two kid. 1, 2. So the weight of the mango is 2 kg. Okay, now let's measure the weight of the watermelon. So as you can see, the needle is pointing at 8 kg. So let us check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the weight of the watermelon is 8 kg. Is it clear? Okay. So to enhance your skill in measuring weight in kilogram and kg, let us now have a practice. All you have to do is to tell the weight of each object. So for letter A, we have durian. So what is the weight of the durian? Look at the needle. The needle is pointing at 4 kilograms. So the weight of the durian is 4 kilograms. Very good. What about the football ball? So, what is the weight of this object? Is the needle pointing in kilogram marking or kid marking? Remember, the black lines represent the kid and the red lines represent the kilograms. Okay, so the weight of the football ball is 8 kg. Excellent. Now let us have another practice. What is the weight of the carrots? So look at the needle. The weight of the carrots is 2 kilograms. Very good. Next, what is the weight of a bag of rice? Look at the needle again. What does it point out? The weight of a bag of rice is 4 kilograms. Great! Now we have here tomatoes, oranges, rambutans, and strawberries. All you have to do is to answer the following questions. Letter A. Which fruit has a weight of 3 kg? So let us find out. Let us measure the weight of each fruit. So the weight of tomatoes is 5 kg. So let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, what about the oranges? So let us count. 1, 2, 3. So the oranges weigh 3 kg. What about the rambutans? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the rambutans weigh 7 kg. And for the strawberries, let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the weight of the strawberries is 4 kg. Okay, let's go back to our question. Which fruit has a weight of 3 kg? The answer is oranges. Very good. Next question. The total weight of the strawberries and the oranges is blank kg. Okay, so we have a keyword here, total. And we all know that total indicates addition. So for us to find the answer, we need to add the weight of the strawberries and the weight of the oranges. So 4 kg plus 3 kg is equal to 7 kg. Therefore, the total weight of the strawberries and the oranges is 7 kg. Very good. Next, the total weight of the tomatoes and the rambutans is blank kg. So again, we have the keyword total. So we have to add the weights of the tomatoes and the rambutans. So tomatoes is 5 kg and the weight of the rambutans is 7 kg. So 5 kg plus 7 kg is equal to 12 kg. Therefore, the total weight of the tomatoes and the rambutans is 12 kg. Great! Good job, everyone. So that's all for today. See you next time. Thank you.